Why seated shoulder press form matters.
In the seated shoulder press isn't just about building stronger shoulders. It's essential for avoiding injury and ensuring you get the most benefit from each rep. Even small mistakes can put stress on delicate shoulder joints. Knowing the basics of ideal form can make every workout safer and more effective.
Setting up for success.
Begin by adjusting your seat so your feet are flat on the floor and your back is firmly supported. The bar or dumbbells should start at about shoulder height, with wrists straight, not bent back. This stable starting position reduces the risk of strain and helps keep your movements controlled.
Hand and arm positioning.
Grip the weights slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Elbows should be under your wrists and pointed slightly forward, not flared straight to the sides. This arm angle protects your shoulder joints by minimizing unnecessary pressure as you lift and lower the weights.
Executing the press safely.
Press the weights directly overhead in a slow, controlled motion. Avoid locking your elbows at the top. Lower the weights to just below chin level without letting them drop or bounce. Always move through a pain-free range of motion and keep your core braced for stability.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Don't arch your back excessively or lean away from the weights. Avoid letting your elbows drop too far back or flaring them too wide. Use a manageable weight that allows you to maintain good form throughout each set. Focusing on these details goes a long way toward keeping your shoulders healthy.
Building long-term shoulder health.
Consistently using proper shoulder press technique helps prevent overuse injuries and supports everyday shoulder function. Remember to warm up before lifting and listen to your body for signs of discomfort. By keeping good habits in mind, you'll strengthen your shoulders while protecting them for years to come.